Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Reels lag. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we're going to try to force stop the app or all of the apps from running in the background to free up RAM. So go ahead and click on this window icon and then go ahead and close all the apps running, just like so. Now, depending on your phone, you may be able to see a setting like this, all right? Like a data sweeping app, right? Or optimization app. Just click on that option. And then some phones, you'll be able to see it under settings, okay? Just find it and then clean your system. And then once that's done, go ahead and find your Facebook app, tap and hold, tap on the information icon. If you're using Android, by the way, scroll down, tap on storage, and tap on clear cache first, and then followed by clear data. All right. Now, if you're using iOS, go ahead over to settings, general, then iPhone storage. And once that's done, find Facebook and then offload the app. Once done, close it. And for iOS, you may have to update the app by using App Store. So go ahead and update the app first. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up Facebook. Try to play a reel and check if it works. If that doesn't work, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on settings and privacy, settings right here. And then go ahead and scroll down and find media and make sure that you are not using data saver, okay? As Facebook's built-in data saver option aggressively throttles video buffering, which causes reels to freeze, lag, or play in extremely low quality. And that is how you fix Facebook Reels lag. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.